releases shots, pops and bangs. Okay, music okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. ఈరోజు డే 26th of April. టైం అరౌండ్ 12:30 అవుతుంది ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. ఇప్పుడైతే బయటికి వెళ్తున్నాం. జిమ్ చూసి వచ్చినాం ఒక 2-3 జిమ్స్. అది ఈరోజు ఏదో ఒకటి ఫిక్స్ చేసి ఫైనలైజ్ చేయాలి. ఇంకా ఈవినింగ్ డైలీ ఇదే అవుతుంది. ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి ఇంకా జల్దీ. రైట్ నా విన్ ఆర్బిట్కి వచ్చినాం. ఏమన్నా తినేసి అభిషేక్ గారు కలుస్తా అన్నాడు. సో అప్పటి వరకు ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా తినేస్తే వాడి షిఫ్ట్ 3కి అయిపోతుంది అనమాట. అప్పటి వరకు ఇక్కడ తినేసి నిన్న బ్లాగ్ ఒకటి ఉంది, అది ఎడిట్ చేయాలి. ఇంకా అది కూడా ఎడిట్ చేసేసి ఇంకా వన్ దగ్గర కలవనికి వెళ్తాను అనమాట. ఇన్ఆర్బిట్ మాల్ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం. ఫుడ్ అయితే తినేసినాం. ఫుడ్ తిని ఇప్పుడైతే ఇంటికి వెళ్తా, అలా ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళదో చూస్తా. మోస్ట్లీ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతా. నాకు కొంచెం టైం పాస్ చేసి అభిషేక్ గారు ఈరోజు కూడా హ్యాండ్ ఇచ్చిండు అనమాట, కలుస్తా అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ కలవలేడాడు. వాడికి ఈ మధ్య బాగా ఎక్కువైంది. మా హీరోని వాకింగ్ తీసుకొని వచ్చిన. ఫస్ట్ టైం మోటో వ్లాగింగ్ చేద్దామని చూస్తున్నా. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంక ఇంట్లో డ్రాప్ చేసి నా యాక్టివ్ మీద మోటో వ్లాగింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను అనమాట. ఫస్ట్ ట్రై చేస్తా, ఒక చిన్న స్పిన్కి వెళ్ళేసి వచ్చి చూద్దాం. వీనికాడ కుక్క కనిపించింది అనమాట. ఇది 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 రియాక్షన్. అమ్మ రాత్రి 9:30 అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఎంత ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంటుంది హైదరాబాద్లో. ఎక్కే మీదికెక్కే. I'll try to do motovlogging in English so that people will also understand. At present, I am in Somajiguda, going towards Necklace Road. I'll go for a short spin. I didn't test the mic and camera from the day I got it, so let's test it once. That is the reason I'm going for a short spin. We'll see how it goes. On this Activa, I've met with accidents for twice or thrice, I guess, and my sister met with accidents for twice. That is the reason it's all become like this. See, the amount of sound it makes, no, there's no need of horn also for this bike, for this scooty. People will understand that some scrap bike is coming from beside. That much amount of sound it makes. See, the whole body of this scooty gets moving and it's shaking all the time. And the worst part is what, you know, it releases shots whenever it comes near 20 speed, no, it releases shots, pops and bangs. That is the inbuilt feature of this scooty. There's some issue with the engine, it seems, so for that reason it makes that sound. We can actually go from this left also, from this railway track left. We'll go from gullies, but we'll end up near People's Plaza there. But I want to go for a longer ride. Those gullies will be short, all those lanes will be very short, so I'm taking this route. I'm going from this bridge. This is the Kaitabad junction. I've got a spare battery also, just in case if this battery goes dead, I can use that battery as well. But I don't know why this GoPro is not getting connected to my phone. So that's the Secretariat. I hope it is visible, and the moon looks perfect beside Ambedkar statue. It properly got aligned with that statue. I hope it's visible there. Today the moon looks exactly like a gulab jamun. I hope it's visible there. Let's go. So this is the double decker buses which are newly introduced in Hyderabad. Why there is so much of traffic here now? పోవన్నా ముందుకి, బండి ముందుకు పోతలేదా? ఆడ అయిపోయాను. You find mostly couples only here. That is the reason after 11 or after 10:30 these roads will be closed from both the ends, from the back side, from the point where we came, and in front also. They'll put up barricades there, and they'll not allow anybody to come in this road during nights because of some stupid activities. This is the Jalaviyar. Most of the Basham, Isanagar people can relate to that because for our school outing was this Jalaviyar. They took us here for 2 to 3 times. That was a school outing spot. No matter in which condition the bike is, no matter how old the scooty is, the performance it gives, in this today's Activas won't give that much performance. The amount of power it gives and the way it runs when you give this throttle, see, look at that, guys, the Gulab Jamun moon. No matter how many troubles the scooty may give, but I'm not gonna sell this. I have lot of memories on this scooty. Is it even recording? Yeah, it's recording. When it is recording, there will be a red color light blinking in the front, so I'll just put my hand in front and make sure that light is coming or not. That is how I check whether it is recording or not. I've stopped beside and I've checked it. It's good to go. Just waiting for my bike to come. Once it comes, then I'll start motovlogging as well on that. Until then, I'll try to do a few motovlogs on this one also. If you search properly, you'll find couples in that trees also. With your naked eyes, you can never see those couples. When police comes or when any patrolling car comes, then they'll come out. Until then, you won't be able to find them also. They'll be hiding like that. I have to adjust the GoPro according to the bike which we are riding actually. So for this Activa, it is good enough with this proper setup. But if I go for another bike, I have to change the GoPro angles and everything. I have to make sure that everything is visible properly. Long before, I tried to vlog on my Classic 350 which I had last month or this month, I don't remember properly. I've sold it. On that bike, I tried to vlog, but the settings were not properly aligned. The video didn't come properly. So now I've changed the settings of the GoPro. Now the video is clear. आप फोन पे ही बात करो भैया. In this lane, our hero Leo Boys hospital will be there. Ever since we got him, we took him to that hospital only. I have jumped the signal. What is this traffic again? What is the point of standing your lorry here in between the road? You can see such things only in India. People will stop anything anywhere. That's all for the day, guys. Going back home now. See you in another vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.